We knew that movement was a really key thing and that we wanted it to be completely integrated into the show.
Yeah. Fran and Jess had a very strong sense of how they wanted to approach the work.
We start with a task or an idea and we give that task or idea over to the cast. And that's always the approach really, it's kind of like a devised approach.
As the play is about community, they wanted it to be a very ensemble play and the style of it to be kind of made in front of you. So it's very physical, there's a lot of movement, a lot of sort of theatrical gesture in it.
Because we are building a town in a community, it's really important that even if we're moving in unison, doing all the same thing at the same time, that everybody's doing it in their own way. So we see the range of people that live in this town and exist in this town.
And that came from the text. That doesn't feel like something we've imposed on it.
And then we started to think about, okay, so the play specifies that there shouldn't be any props, but what things can we use from our set that you might be able to find in the back of a theatre?
A lot of planks, a lot of chairs.
So many planks.
Then the challenge is, what images can we create with those things that leave enough space for the audience to look at the image and impose their own imagination onto it?
There's some lovely, what feel like set pieces at the moment, and it does feel big and exciting and a bit spectacular.
Yeah.
So very excited to get to share it with people.